Hi guys! For today's video, I'm going to share with you my relaxing shower routine. I got inspired kasi a couple of days ago, meron akong na-receive na PR package. A very sophisticated looking PR package from Herbal Essences. Thank you so much. They sent me the Argan Oil of Morocco Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. Just look at the packaging, you guys. Full of life at nakaka-happy. I started using these the day I got them, and you guys, kada ligo ko, para ako nagpapaspa. So yun ang gagawin natin. I'll show you the actual and current products I use in the shower, not just to clean myself, but also to clear my mind. And take note guys, I really use these products na ipapakita ko sa inyo. None of them are sponsored, and if ever gumawa na ako ng sponsored video, you know na ang pagiging honest ko sa inyo yung aking number one priority. And ito na siguro yung pinaka-simpleng relaxing shower routine. No complicated products, and all of the products are available, locally available, and affordable. So, without further ado, let's go. So, if I want a relaxing shower time, which is probably once or twice a week, alam mo yung you can take your time maligo, parang ganon. I like to set the mood with extra lighting. Naks. I turn off the main lights and add a lamp or a scented candle. Ito kasama sa PR package, so why not use it? And then I hop into the shower. Inuuna ko yung hair care dye because I want to make babad my conditioner until the end. So, I'm using the Herbal Essences BioRenew Argan Oil of Morocco. It contains real botanicals and infused with argan oil that helps repair damaged hair. So, in short guys, if your hair is damaged, this is good for you, and pampalambot siya ng hair. And hindi lang yun, it smells so good. As in, kumakapit sa hair mo yung fragrance buong araw. Like, bawat twist and turn ko, alam mo na, amoy ko siya. And the best part, you guys, it has no parabens, no colorants, no BHA or acids, no DEA or it's another bad chemical, and no paraffins or yung parang wax. And guys, cruelty-free and vegan. So, Herbal Essences for the win! So, after hair care, ibababad ko muna yung conditioner. Also, I make sure na minamassage kong maigi sa hair ko yung conditioner. For relaxing purposes na rin, you know? So, body care na. Yan guys, isa pa tong super bango as in. Pero more than the smell, I wanted kasi a body cleanser na germicidal pero gentle sa skin. And pag-usapang germicidal, so this one lifts up 99.9% of germs pero hindi siya drying and wala rin siyang paraben. Tapos, I use my handy-dandy loofah to lather the body cleanser. You know naman, loofah is the best pantanggal unwanted dead skin. Para alam mo yun, fresh, clean, and glowing after maligo. And then for the face, eto guilty pleasure ko guys. Kapag wala akong tinetest out na skincare, I go back to this soap every now and then talaga. I think they have 3 variants, pero itong tea tree ang pinakamabango, pinaka-nakaka-relax, pinaka-masarap gamitin. It cleanses my face, bacteria, and oil and everything. Pero in fairness, hindi siya nakaka-dry. And yun nga, super bango. So, eto na nga. I lather the soap on my hands, then saka ko i-massage sa face ko. And take note, gentle massage. As in yung parang pantanggal ng puffiness na rin. After the skincare, I rinse my body except for the hair. Yes, ilalaban ko talaga hanggang dulo yung conditioner. It works for me, so, Next thing I do is brush my teeth. And yes, I do brush my teeth sa shower para alam mo yun, mabilis. And I've been using this for more than a week pa lang. So far, so good. I love the clean feeling, pero I have yet to check the whitening effect. Pero so far, okay naman siya in cleaning my teeth. So after brushing, I'ma go and do my final rinse kasama na yung hair. And at this point, gumagawa na ako ng music video sa utak ko. I'm not thinking about work. I'm not thinking about stressful things. It's just me and, I don't know, probably BTS. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go dry myself and proceed na for my nighttime skincare routine, which is for another video na. So, yeah, yun ang aking relaxing shower routine. And I kid you not, you guys, after kong maligo, after kong ginawa yung mga steps na yun, I'm super duper mabango. My hair feels smooth, soft, manageable, and smells so good. And then my body, soft, smooth, ang bango-bango din. Lahat mabango day. Pati banyo, mabango day. Anyway, sana nag-enjoy kayo for today's video. Up next, lip swatch naman yung gagawin natin. Naku, I'm so excited. Abangan nyo yan. Thank you so much guys for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!